Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Valorant error code ban 5. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So first, to restart React client and Valorant. So for that, please enter into your task manager. Over there, if you see the React clients or Valorant, please give it as end task. So once it's done, please close the task manager, and our second step is to restart your internet. For that, our quick reset is to disconnect and connect again. If it's not work, please do troubleshoot, internet troubleshoot on settings. So our third step is to restart Vanguard services. So for that, please press Windows R and then type services.msc. So once you enter into your services, please scroll down. Over there you may see VGS. It's a Vanguard service. Press VGS and right click. Over there you need to enter into the properties. On properties you need to set it as automatic and check the service status as running. If not, please stop and start again. Now it's running, so just click apply and click OK. So once it's done, please close it, and our fourth step is to reset network settings. So for that you need to enter into your command prompt as run as administrator mode. Once you enter into the command prompt, please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there, and then press enter. Please copy the prompt one by one on the description and paste it over in the CMD. So once it's done, please click enter. Yeah, and then at the last, please type exit to exit the command prompt. So fifth step is to disable proxy. So please check whether if you are using any proxies. For that you need to enter into the settings. Over there you need to enter into the network and internet, and please scroll down. You may see the proxy setting. So over there, please check whether you are using any proxy or not. If you are using, make it as in disable condition. So guys, our sixth step is to allow React client through firewall. Here we are gonna check the firewall is blocking or not. So for that you need to enter into the Windows security. Over there, firewall, and then allow an app through firewall. Over there, please click change settings and scroll down, and then check the React client is enabled on private or public. If not, please enable the both options. Yeah, once it's done, please click OK. So guys, our seventh step is to change the DNS server. So for that you need to search control panel and enter into the control panel. Over there you need to select network and internet option. So over there you need to click network and sharing center. So and then click your connection, and then you enter into the properties, then choose internet protocol version 4 and use the following DNS address as 8888 and 8844. Once it's done, please click OK and then close it. So our eighth step is to reinstall your PC. So once you reinstalled your PC, please check whether the issue is solved or not. If the issue is not solved, please follow the last step. The ninth step is to reinstall your React client. So once you reinstalled your React client, the issue will be solved definitely. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Thank you guys. Bye bye.